Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas 289. It is great nice looking of your favorite home interior and backyard decoration ideas. This video is for you home in which you can do back here decoration backyard from the settings of your home and how to make backyard decor which and today's video is going to be very fun for you in which you will be told how you can welcome your coming guests and how to spend theme on backyard histories decoration chairs and how to welcome theme. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. This video is for you. This is amazing nice looking of your favorite backyard decoration ideas, latest designing, United States country style here and there, and that is great nice looking. Show this again very beautiful backyard decoration ideas and backyard sofa sets. Show this again very nice looking white sofa set. In this video you will learn how you can welcome theme very easily throughout which you can decorate your house in a very easy and simple way. In this video you learn how you can decorate the chairs and chair settings in backyard decoration ideas with very beautiful designing just like it is done is English country style here and there. This is the style of United States country style. Along with this today I will teach you that what color can you paint and backyard decoration ideas. After this comes the design of tiles decorations.